Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the headset and console. Charge the JBL Quantum 910 or connect a power source so you won't lose audio mid-setup. Once done, plug the supplied 3.5 mm cable into the headset and firmly insert the other end into your Xbox controller's headphone jack. Make sure the controller is on and connected to the Series S. This wired approach forces immediate audio routing, so you can confirm mic and game sound before attempting any wireless options. Once your headset is physically connected, you need to tell the Xbox how to use it. Go to Settings, then Volume and Audio Output. Choose headset format like stereo uncompressed for pure game sound or a spatial option if you prefer surround. Next, check Headset Chat Mixer to balance game and chat audio. Test the mic in parties and chats by starting a quick party. Speak and adjust mic monitoring so you hear yourself at a comfortable level while others can hear you clearly. If you prefer wireless and your Quantum 910 includes a USB transmitter, plug that dongle into the Series S USB port and follow the headset pairing sequence in the manual. Pairing usually completes within seconds. If audio fails, update the controller firmware in the Xbox Accessories app, restart the console, and retry. Make sure the headset isn't muted and volume isn't at 0. Finally, reseat all connectors or try a different controller to isolate whether the issue is the headset, cable, or controller.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.